Hello everyone, you're watching HMJ channel for math study. 5 things to learn before to perform best in mathematics of class 8. There are a lot of things to learn before, but here are 5 most important contents. So let's talk about the very first thing. The very first is table. Tables that is very important and highlighted element of mathematics. We learn it right from class 1. So, to learn and by heart the tables at least till 20 is the foremost and essential things to do before the study of class 8's maths. The second and the third thing is cubes and squares. I have compiled the second and third thing for you for your easy reference. The squares and cubes walks hand in hand. So the squares and cubes minimum till 15. I have brought it till 30 for you for your easy reference. So before going for the class 8's math study, at least till 15, the squares and cubes till 15. The fourth thing is test of divisibility. The test of divisibility is learnt part of previous class. I have brought it for you, so let's revise it shortly. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even or 0. You can see the examples. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3 is the example. The sum of all these 3 numbers is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3 can be divided by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the numbers formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. You can see the examples. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. For the test of divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the digits in unit place and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or multiples of 0. You can see the example 357. The last digit is 7. Twice the last digits can be 14. The numbers formed by other means the remaining numbers are 35. So the difference between 35 and 7 is 21. So therefore this 21 can be divisible by 7. Therefore the whole number 357 can be divided by 7. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. You can see the example 50448. The last 3 digits are 448. This is divisible by 8. Therefore the whole number 50448 can be divided by 8. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. It is same as 3. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. You can see the examples. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of digits in the odd places and sum of digits in the even places are equal to or differ by multiple of 11. See the example 2816. Sum of digits in even places. Even places 8 and 16. The sum of it is 14. And the sum of digits in odd places that are 2 and 1 is 3. And the difference can be 11. 14 minus 3 is 11. So it is the multiple of 11. Therefore the whole number 2816 can be divided by 11. The fifth is identification of even, odd and prime numbers. What is even number? Even number can be divided by 2 or the group of 2. You can see the examples in the first box. The last digit of the numbers can be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So these can be the even numbers. The odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. And the end digits can be, the odd numbers are always end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. You can see the examples in the second table. The last is prime numbers. Prime numbers are always divisible by itself or 1 and it is always greater than 1. Okay, so that's all it about the basic and prior knowledge that a student must learn to start up with class 8's math. We will meet in the next video with the practice set of class 8th. Thank you.